Good evening and thank you for joining us on Airy TV. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at 10:30 p.m. local time. Today is Sunday, 26 February 2023. First, the top stars. Henok Muluburhan became champion of Africa. Seminar on law in Keren Asaba region. Russia halted pipeline oil supplies to Poland. U.S. ice storm leaves 500,000 Americans without power. Professional cyclist Henok Muluburhan has become winner of the gold medal at the 8th and final edition of the Tour du Rwanda 2023 that was held yesterday, February 25th. Henok Muluburhan has been winner of the African Cycling Championship in 2022 and 2023 in Accra, Ghana, and in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt, respectively. Henok Muluburhan became winner of African Cycling Championship for the second time within 2 weeks, defeating renowned European professional cyclists, and has been highly acclaimed by the spectators and analysts. Henok Muluburhan has also become Best African Rider for the 6th time. Speaking to the journalists, Henok said that he has conducted sufficient preparation for the competition and congratulated the Eritrean people inside the country and abroad. Public seminar in law was organized in Keren City from 21st to 24th February with a view to develop the understanding of the public on law. At the seminar, Major Welduza Waldi, head of crime prevention in the city, gave briefing on the causes and consequences of the crimes and accidents and said that not knowing the law could not save one from accountability. Major Waldu called on the youth to develop their understanding on law and to cooperate with the police alongside their education in the effort to prevent crimes and offenses. Major Waldu also called on parents to conduct regular follow-up on their children and report to the police station in case of observing crimes and accidents being committed in their areas. Lieutenant Amanai Zode, commander of First Police Station in the city, on his part gave detailed briefing on the crime and accidents committed in the city. International news follows after a short break. Stay tuned. Russia has halted oil supplies to Poland via the Druzhba pipeline, the chief executive of Polish refiner PKN Orlen says, adding that the company would tap alternative source to plug the gap. The supply halt via the pipeline, exempted from European Union sanction imposed on Russia, came a day after Poland delivered its first Leopard tanks to Ukraine. PKN Orlen chief executive Daniel Objetek stated that they are effectively securing supplies. Russia has halted supplies to Poland for which they are prepared, and that only 10% of crude oil has been coming from Russia and will be replaced with oil from other sources. The company said it could fully supply its refinery via sea and that the halt in pipeline supplies would not affect deliveries of the petrol and diesel to its clients. As of February, after a contract with Russia's Rosneft expired, Orlen has been getting oil under a deal with Russia's oil and natural gas company Tanneft and Russia oil pipeline monopoly Transneft did not immediately make statements over the issue. An ice storm has threatened the livelihood of 500,000 Americans in the U.S. state of Michigan as they are left without power in freezing temperature. About 500,000 Michigan homes and business remained without power yesterday following the ice storm that brought freezing temperature to the state. U.S. media reported yesterday outage reported from Lake Michigan to Lake Erie left people in dark since Friday. According to Power Outage, across much of the region, temperatures were expected to dip into the sub-0 degrees overnight and plunge even lower with the wind chill. This is according to the National Weather Service. The agency also added that snow was expected in much of the area. In Lansing, city officials initiated a code blue cold weather response plan with libraries, community centers, and other buildings repurposed as warming centers. In Lenawi County, the country officials also opened warming centers, and Red Cross was operating a 24-hour shelter. Kalama's residents were also told by officials to prevent frozen pipes by opening cabinets around their plumbing and running a pencil-lead-sized stream of water from a faucet if their indoor temperature plummeted sub-0 degrees Celsius. Now let's have a quick review of the top stars. Henok Muluburhan became champion of Africa. Seminar on law in Karan Asawa region. Russia halted pipeline oil supplies to Poland. US ice storm leaves 500,000 Americans without power. It was me, Salem Burhana, with the news for tonight. Thank you for being with us.